In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to protect your sensitive information and monitor for identity threats using our identity protection tool. Personal information, like your email, passwords, social security number, and financial details, can end up exposed online without you even knowing. Our identity protection tool helps monitor for potential threats and alerts you if suspicious activity or data exposure is detected. To get started, open the app and navigate to the identity protection section from your PrivacyHawk dashboard. This feature is available for Platinum Plan users. Next, enter the information you'd like us to monitor, such as your email address, phone number, social security number, or financial information. This information is used only for monitoring and protection purposes. PrivacyHawk does not store your social security number, and all data handling is fully encrypted to help keep your information secure. Once your information is added, turn on real-time alerts. This allows PrivacyHawk to notify you if your information is detected in suspicious locations, including dark web forums, breached databases, or unauthorized activity involving your identity. You may receive alerts for dark web breaches, exposed passwords or personal information, suspicious social security number activity, fraudulent change of address requests, and potential financial account misuse. Each alert includes recommended next steps to help you respond quickly and protect your accounts. If you receive an alert, we recommend taking action right away. This may include changing passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, freezing your credit, or contacting your bank. If you ever need additional help, PrivacyHawk's ID recovery specialists are available to support you through the recovery process. You'll also receive up to $5 million in identity theft insurance to help cover eligible lost wages, legal fees, and recovery costs related to identity theft. And that's it. With PrivacyHawk's identity protection tool, you're taking an important step toward protecting your sensitive information and staying ahead of potential identity threats.